Good day, everyone. Learn how to reset Instagram feed in PC. You can do the same in your mobile phone as well. The thing is, if you're annoyed with the feed and you want to reset and you want the correct feed according to you, you want to start all over and you want good content suggestion after the reset, you can simply open your browser, log into Instagram, and at the bottom right, at the bottom left corner, you will have the three parallel lines, and in phone, you can go at the top. Now, once I click here at the left hand side, we have this more option. We will click on more and then we will go to settings. So the thing is, we need to go to the settings first and then we need to go to the account center and see more in account center. We will click on that since it is mainly for PC, which I'm doing right now. Now, once you do that, you will see a window like this, and here we need to click on this, your information and permissions. So I'll click on that. And now it says export or search history. So we need to click on search history and select the account of Instagram. And then we just need to clear the search history. That's it. So once you're done with this, now you can start all over and you have successfully reset your Instagram feed. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.